In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over a lawn aerator, basically a kind of step-on top lawn aerator. I had this thing out and I've already used it, but I put it back in the box here for the purpose of this video. And let me kind of like show you everything that came with it. This thing was very simple to put together. So I'll kind of go over the instructions here real quick. The instructions have you just snap it together like there. There is a spring inside this housing here, so there's a spring that when you step on it, it makes these spikes come out and it aerates the lawn. So I'm going to show you how you're going to set this up. You're going to put, see that little hook right there? It goes just like this. Hit that one, and then this one will go like that. Now it can go down 3 more. You can see you have 1, 2, 3 right there. And now to use this thing, it's got a padded handle here. You're basically just going to put your foot right here like this and just step down. Now see how it just created the hole right there? See how it flattened it? Look how it pops up. So watch this. Let me do that again. This is great for anyone that's just wanting to aerate an area. See how I can kind of like go and hit all of that. This thing works fine. I've already used it several times around the yard here, and it seemed to work just perfect. I have seen no issues with it. This is something I'm going to be using, you know, when I start planting next spring. I'm going to go ahead and aerate all around and start replanting some grass. Just kind of like get a little more, you know, water down inside there. I like using this thing. It's actually kind of fun to bounce around on like that. Almost like a little pogo stick. This is something I recommend for anyone that just needs like a affordable type of aerator, that just to do like a small area. Obviously if I was going to do like an entire acre, I'd want something to pull behind a tractor, but this works great for what it is. But yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, the lawn aerator. See y'all in the next video.